Hi traders, as we know, support and resistance play key role in trading, but most of traders draw support and resistance level in wrong way. So today I will teach you about support and resistance in simplest way. So support is the area where banks or institution keep buying the stock, and resistance is the same area where banks or institution sell the stocks. So that's the simplest definition of support and resistance. In line chart, we represent support with capital letter V. At the same time, we represent resistance area with the capital letter A. So that's the physical representation of support and resistance in line chart. So now we will understand in candlestick. That's our support area. So whenever price came back to that area, it will fly within no time. So that's the second example of support area. First price made support area, then it react with that zone. So we can buy here. So in line chart, as we say, we can represent support area with capital letter V. That was physical representation of support zone in candlestick chart and line chart. So now we will understand resistance area in candlestick chart and line chart. First of all, we have draw our resistance zone. Resistance zone is the zone where price reverse back or it keep falling. In simple way, we can say that sellers are taking charge, or we can sell that when price or stock reached there. That's the simplest way of understanding support and resistance. Here we have marked our area for resistance in Euro USD. We can open trade and we will try to flip it with the help of support and resistance. But first, let me show you some example of resistance and how price can react with it. So here, price react with resistance. When first it made resistance, then react with it. That's the second example of resistance. Price first made resistance, then when it came back there, sellers are ready, so it reverse and fall down. In Euro USD, first price make support zone, then break that support zone with a significant candle. Now this support become resistance. That's our SBR zone. It means support become resistance zone. Now that support will react as resistance area. I also have shared this signal in Telegram channel. You can join it. So we have already opened some trades here. We can mark our all resistance area here. That our resistance 1, resistance 2, and sport become resistance area. So these are our three zones. We already have shared that signal or trade with all of our traders in Telegram. You can join. The link is in description. Moving forward on lower time frame like M15, there is also supply zone, which means price can fall anytime, and it rarely retest it. So as we were expecting, price alhamdulillah fall down. That's the power of knowledge. So support and resistance is that strategy which is used by banks or institution. So must learn it. Moving forward, there is a CSM sell on H1, and if there is CSM sell, so there will be re-entry. So that's a good confirmation on BBMA. We have added our few more layers. Now we will wait nearest demand zone for our TP, or we can hold it until new lower low. But as we are doing scalping and compounding, so we don't need to hold too much. That's our TP area, which is nearest demand zone, or we can say that rally based rally zone. So learn everything in lower time frame. Tries teach you each and everything, why it react, why it failed. So must analyze the trade in lower time frame, then combine it with higher time frame, or do multi time frame analysis. That's the best way. Alhamdulillah, our trade is running good. Now we can close our trade. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.